Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I want to tell you 3 things that I love about my knee-high boots from Jeossy. First, I just love the way they look. I really like this slouched, scrunched up fabric, giving these boots just a very casual look. I got the dark brown color, which I love because it goes with literally any outfit that I pair them with. I will say to size up just a little. So I normally wear a size 8, but I decided to go with 8.5 instead due to the reviews, which ended up fitting me perfectly. Second, I just love how comfortable they are. So they've got this zipper on the inside, which slides nice and smooth, and it makes it so much easier to put the boots on and off. I have been wearing these boots every single day for the past month, and my feet do not hurt. I even wore these while I was traveling at the airport, and I just love how comfortable they are. And third, I love that they're made out of a synthetic leather because no joke, I literally stepped in dog poo the very first day that I wore them, and I was so upset at first, but then I realized how easy they were to clean, and I fell in love with them even more. They have a nice rubber sole, and the stitching is done perfectly. And plus, I love being worry-free. Even when it's raining outside or walking through puddles, I never have to worry about ruining my boots. So overall, these are just perfect for everyday wear, and I love that they're hassle-free. And that's my point of view.